looking.
I gave you my heart.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys these badass braids that I did myself. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and if you already is, thank you. And yeah, so before we get into this video, a little about these braids, guys. I didn't think they was gonna turn out this good. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. So I really like these. They like, you know, and they're not too small, so they didn't take me too long to do. And they're all knotless, so makes it even better, guys. So like you can see, yeah. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these ass braids, beginner friendly, easy. I didn't even use that much hair. It's hair I had laying around, and then I just decided to do these braids, and they turned out real nice. And I will add some jewelry to them later when I find my jewelries and stuff. So yeah, after that, let me know in the comment like what you guys think after this tutorial. Let me know if you guys like this hairstyle, or you know, was it that I explained it easy enough for you guys, or was it not, like you couldn't tell what I was doing or whatever and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in my next video and keep on watching. What's up, guys? So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved that look from the intro. So if you want to see how I did that, keep on watching. It's pretty easy, well, at least the way I do it. I hope you guys can see it and think it's easy and you can do it by yourself at home if you want those braids and you don't feel like going and pay for them, because I know sometimes they can be a lot. But yeah, so that's my hair. It's that's my hair. I washed my hair like maybe 2 days ago. So I braided it, moisturized it, and braided it. I didn't want to like blow dry my hair, because this is supposed to be a protective style, so I don't want to put no heat on my hair before I do this. So it should be somewhat kind of like stretched. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be using and stuff, and we're gonna get into this video. I have this hair. Okay, so I didn't go to the hair store. I seen this. I have this hair right here, so I'm like, okay, I might as well do some braid, because I've been wanting to braid my hair. I just haven't found, you know, I've just been lazy. But this is the hair. I can't remember the length, but it wasn't in a bag, so I had this hair for a while. So that's the hair. I'm gonna be cutting it in like four, yeah, like this. So it's not pre-stretched or anything, so I'm gonna have to do that, because like the end is like kind of blunt, so I'm gonna have to stretch it and stuff. So I'm gonna do that and then come back. But I don't know if this is not enough hair for me to do my hair. I still have there's like a little blonde in there, so I think I might just add that in the front of my hair, just to show you guys. So I have my hair unbraided. It's looking well shiny and moisturized. So, and I somewhat what's the word I'm looking for? I stretched the hair out, yeah, so it wasn't like so blunt at the ends and stuff. So I stretched it out, and then so I will be using the Shine Gem, some hair oil. I will be doing why I was all the way up here, but some hair oil. I will be doing a review on this oil, guys, And then I have my hair butter that I made. Gorilla Snot. Yeah, Gorilla Snot gel. I might use some of it too. Ooh, it's really snotty, but okay. So yeah. So I have my white tooth comb right here. And I have a smaller comb. So what I think I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be parting my hair like this, and then do the back, and then I'm gonna do the front for you guys, so that way I'm not on this camera for the longest. Okay guys, so ooh, wait a minute, I'm gonna come back when I'm done with the back, so that way you guys can see the back. I mean, not the back. That way I can do the front for you guys, and so that way I can like show you guys more in detail and stuff. So yeah, I'll be back. So this is half of the back. Like, I did them jumbo, so you know, because I'm not trying to be doing this here all day. Alright guys, so I am halfway there. So I did these. So I had to use this because I ran out of black. But it's not the same length, guys. I hope it don't look, you know, I hope this don't look too bad. Cause yeah. I like these. I don't know. It's coming together, so yeah, so this is that. So I'm going to put this over here. And yeah, I'm going to put it on the side like this. So I have a little extra black hair, so I'm gonna be using for this to kind of like mix match it and stuff. So this one I don't really it's whatever, but like I showed you guys, it's really easy. I know sometimes people, they would add the air and then like throw it around and then braid it, but I find like the way I do it is like easier and faster to do like that. And I think the way I do it is way easier and faster. So again, I'm adding my hair butter just to add some moisture to my hair. And this hair butter have I'm gonna add some of my, I know I didn't add it before, but just a little bit. So they both shea butter, so I know, like I still gotta do those. I have like 2 left in the back. Oh guys, I'm running out of time. I'm gonna have to finish this. I'm gonna have to come back. I gotta go pick up something. I'm adding my shine gem. And then I'm gonna add my Gorilla Snot. It's really just to keep the hair nice. And then I will brush it a little bit. I think when you do your hair yourself, it be taking you the longest for some reason. I feel like it's cause and the length I'm doing it to. Hopefully this give me 2 braids, guys. I am hoping, guys. Let's hope this can give me the 2 braids that I need. And then this side, I'm gonna just add the blonde to it, cause yeah, we're not. There's no way, because yeah, this is the hair I have left. This is it from the black hair. I wish it was all black, like. I have to. I don't know. Next time I do it again, I'm gonna try to do a black. Like I said, this was just hair that was sitting around, and I was like, let me braid my hair, or whatever. So let me turn this way like this. Let me see. I don't know if you guys. Okay, right here. So I feel like when I do it like this, it's better when I braid like this than trying to braid like that for some reason. So yeah, so what I do is I make three parts, and then I go under, and then here I could add a braid close to my roots. So I add the smallest string. I add the smallest one I have, and I add it to the hair under this right here where my finger is moving, and then I will put the other half on this one. So hopefully you guys can see this. So I will add it right here and grab it with my finger, and then put this one right here, and then I would just braid. And then we're gonna do it again. Put this hair right here, just so we have it spaced out. And then I'm gonna grab. Come on, man. This hair is cute. That's why I hate doing hair. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. Add it under here, and then take this one, and then braid. And then just keep braiding. Make sure everything is kind of tight and stuff. So this might get tangled. So okay. And you can keep adding some mobile snot just to make the hair lay and stuff. Just keep going. Add more mobile snot. And then here, oops, damn it. And then here I'll just braid. You know, try to like fix it and like braid it again. Keep braid. And then here you just kind of, oh, you gotta make sure the braids is going the same way. So, okay, here, okay, this should be it. And see guys, it's like kind of like spot on my roots. I know sometimes people braid their roots like most all the way first and then add braids, but no, that's not how I do it. And some people do how I do it. So I'm adding more, what is it called? So the real snot to my ends, so now we can like get in here. Or I could add my mango shake when I do the conditioner to do that too, but it's not good, guys. And you can do stuff for me. You can start going kind of fast here. We'll see what it is. And guys, these are not all the same size, especially at the end, but it's okay. I'm gonna push this out. Okay. Oops. Okay guys, I'm going to show you So I had after I was done with the braids, I warm some, heat up some hot water and put the ends. If you do braids, you do that. And then I put this on there. At the end, it's a wrap set lotion. So I just put it on my head and then kind of like blow dried it and stuff, and then I tied it and I did my makeup, and let's see. All right, so here I'm kind of like looking. Okay. Okay, who's this? Ooh. Oh God, I'm proud of myself, guys. Look at these. Look like some fresh braids. Like I got them done like professionally, guys. Ooh. Okay. I love this. So, what you guys think? Like, let me know in the comment, cause guys, like, look at my baby hair. I kind of like did them, but not really. But so yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment. I feel like I did a good job. Like, let me know. Let your girl know how she did, cause I'm feeling these braids, and I think I'm gonna keep them on for like maybe a month. So I think today's the 11th, so I'm gonna take them down on the March 11th, unless I get bored or want to do something for you guys before that. So I'm gonna have to find different things to bring while my hair is in this braid and stuff for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how I did. Bye.